In this video, I will show you how to connect external wireless or wired microphone to your Samsung smartphone. So connecting microphone is very easy. First, if perhaps you maybe have a Type-C microphone that has basically a Type-C output, it's mega easy to actually connect these. So for example, this microphone, I simply plugged in the microphone and basically the same cables that I use to charge my phone with, I'm simply connecting to my phone. And you see the microphone is powering automatically on as soon as you plug it in. Also, this phone is able to recharge your microphone, so essentially it never runs out of juice as well. So if you maybe have internal battery on it as well. So then, and if you, for example, want to record the video, as soon as you pretty much connect the microphone, it's automatically going to use the external microphone as your default microphone. For example, also if you start a video, you will even see a sign every time that it's going to use the external microphone. And also, for example, if you go in the Pro Video mode, okay, on your Samsung phone, as you see, if you click these four things here, you can click here and also manage the microphone settings. So you see, yeah, so you can choose here from the internal microphone, so in different positions, or the external microphones that you just connected. And also you can even connect Bluetooth microphone as well to this phone. If you want to connect, for example, like a wireless Bluetooth microphone, so again, what you do is you simply go in your Bluetooth settings and add it as any other like pair of earphones, essentially. So it's that easy, so nothing different really there. So yeah, and in the Pro Video mode again, so as you see, you can also even like increase your gain for the microphone, so the volume, how loud it is, and also you have the audio monitoring here as well, so you can see basically how loud it is and if it's not overblowing. Then for example, if you maybe do not have a Type-C microphone but like an older style microphone that maybe relies on the 3.5mm jack, then you will simply need to grab adapter like this, so that converts the Type-C to 3.5mm jack. So if obviously you do not have like headphone jack on your phone, like most higher end phones do not have it anymore. So you see then, and if you connect this adapter here, if you plug in your 3.5 lead here from a microphone, again, it's going to act in the same way basically. So as soon as you open your camera app, it's going to use the external microphone as your input device. So again, there's nothing that you need to set especially. So yeah, it works straight away really. And then if you also want to use, for example, external wireless microphone, so that uses maybe like adapter, so again, pretty much the same way. So for example, let's see if I connect this microphone here, it will turn on the receiver, and you see as soon as I also like power this on, so you see it's connected automatically and I can start using it. So you see, again, if I record the video, it will say recording through USB microphone. And in the Pro Video mode, again, I can see the settings here and also adjust the gain of this external microphone. So you see just how easy and like well thought out this system is on pretty much every Samsung phone. If you're wondering what microphone to get maybe for your Samsung phone, then if you're looking for like a wireless microphone, then again, simply you do not really have to waste much money. You simply get one of these DJI Mic Minis. So again, this microphone plus this at the moment maybe on Amazon costs like literally like $40. So again, and the sound quality is absolutely phenomenal, basically just as good as maybe like a higher end microphone that cost maybe like over $200. So this is the best bang for the buck microphone to get. So simply search for the DJI Mic Mini with this type of like receiver, this tiny one. They also come with like slightly different ones, but again, this is best for smartphone usage as it's so tiny. So again, and sound is absolutely phenomenal on this one. If you want like higher end quality, again, I actually do not suggest Rode microphones because they actually do not work very well with smartphones. Instead, maybe some DT microphones, or also this Comic microphone also is excellent. So I use pretty much this on my channel basically for the past 2 years. The VM40 again probably is the best bang for the buck high-end microphone, maybe costs like $250 essentially. They also have VM30, that is a bit older version, and that maybe can head for like $100, something like that. So definitely these are probably the best bang for the buck microphones that work absolutely great with phones, feature packed and also excellent sound quality as well. Okay, good luck.